Mimi naenda kutoa pesa huko akaunti yangu KCB Bank, alafu saa ile mimi natoa naenda kwa gari yangu, alafu mimi naweka ndani ya gari 1 million, alafu mimi naenda kwa wakili yangu, nataka pea watu wengine pia pesa check. Sasa saa ile mimi narudi kutoka kwa wakili yangu, hiyo pesa yote tayari kushaenda na vunja gari.
This is the second incident happening in Narok. The previous one, we managed also to get the suspects who are operating from Juja between Juja and Narok, and the case is now before court. It is becoming rampant now out of the interrogation and intelligence we have. When people are withdrawing bulk money, we would encourage them to use electronic money transfer to avoid such cases, other than calling money in any manner in bulk. On this particular instance, some targeting suspects know very well there is a high business season in Narok. Now targeting the wheat farmers, among other businesses, during this high season of harvesting. They know there is a much money transaction.